Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Osamke Kwela noMusa Mseleku. Guys, uMusa Mseleku recently posted this picture. Athi ningasi nizwe ngami. Guess the speculations this picture made online. Now we had to check my pictures Gasamgi and look at isisu kahle. No man, this girl was probably pregnant last year because lesho yenziwe last year and uSamge noMusa bahlangana kudala. Then later on that day uMusa guys wa delete isithombe. Ngitsheleni ukuthi nangizwa guys ngitsheleni. Imagine being posted 2 minutes and then kubhalwe kuthiwe ningathi nizwe ngami. And then macedile udelete leso sithombe, and then now we have to look because siyazi ukuthi umuntu esimame maka pregnant utshintsha ubuso buyadumba intamo iba mnyama. So now we have to look iy'thombe zakabani ezakaSamke Khwela and see ukuthi makathi singathi sizwe ngaye ngamanye amagama sinikeza content ukuthi uSamke was pregnant last year, that's why she was eating so much like this, like adla kangaka every day emsebenzini uyadla. Bukani impumulo guys. And mind you, he's giving us hint almost uyayithanda attention yethu guys. Uyayithanda, like he likes our attention. Ukuthi slow busy comment laphana. Like guys, there were so many comments. Still wadelisa lawo ma comment lawo waphinda wadelisa isithombe few hours later that day. And sonke sesiviewa lesithombe lesi siyazuma siyasho ukuthi no man, asibhekeni kahle ngoba sithanda indaba. Bukani kahle sisu. Okay fine, uSamke usidudla. Bukani kahle sisu. Bukani kahle ntamo. Bukani ubuso budumbe kanjani. Besides ke ukuthi uMusa ubegqoka iskinny jean, ukuthi uSamke i2K lakhe lithi hayibo baba. Awusuku ukutshintsha kancane ifashion yabantu abadala. But ke besides lokho, bukani nje ukuthi uSamke unjani. And then later on that day kupostiwe uMacele. Bamkhiphile bambuyisa ku-Valentine's Day, and ukumbuyisa ku-Valentine's Day uposta uSibindi macedile post ubani uSamke athi ningathi nizwe ngami. Hayi guys, asihlanganiseni le ndaba, asibeni intatheli zamampela. Bukani kahle ubuso, bukani impumulo, bukani intamo, bukani isisu, bukani ukuthi amabele beyokhule kangakanani. Oh hayi guys, uMusa waze wasibanga. And ugirl shem uyaziglowela, akakhulumi kakhulu uthi nale show nayo ithatha isikhathi isasicoca, thina sifuna nje iye nje ngqo. Unumber 5 siboneni ukuthi kahle kahle empilweni kaNumber 5 lo ebebamkhuluma kangaka yenzakalani kahle kahle. But ke let's just hope ukuthi vele uMusa ubesinikeza iclear yamampela ukuthi ugirl umithi and finally uzwandisa lo mndeni obekudala kukhulunywa indaba ukuthi kumele kwandise lapho bakhona abanye abawandisile. But ke guys, thank you for watching. Let's keep on speculating ukuthi girl is probably pregnant or semtholile umntana because le show yakudala eya last year. So between the two, thank you guys for watching. What are your thoughts on this?